So I outlined my brows off camera, so now I'm just cleaning them up with concealer. And once that is done, I'm going to go in with my baby skin pore eraser and just apply that to the areas where my pores are larger. Then I'll be going in with my Milani 2-in-1 foundation. A little bit goes a long way, guys, so I'm just go ahead and apply that with my sponge and just smooth that all over my face. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer to just brighten up my under eye and outline those areas. I don't know the brand of this mascara, but I'm just going to go ahead and put on my mascara. Then I'm going to be going in with my NYX Fortune Cookie lip gloss, which I love. It's so super smooth. I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. Now it's time to start on my hair. I'm going to start off by sectioning 2 triangles down the front for my bang. Just section them off. So here are the products that I'm going to be using. A brush, some Eco Styler gel. I'm going to be also using some Shine Jam. Need a scrunchie to put it up in a bun. And also I have my braiding hair for the bun. So I'm going to start by just brushing my hair up into a bun. I applied some water just to get my hair nice and soft and smooth. Now I'm going in with gel. And I'm just going to use that just to smooth up my hair. Now doing me some baby hairs. Gotta have them baby hairs, girl. Once that's done, I'm going to take a few pieces of my track hair just to make my bang a little bit fuller. So once that's done, I'm going to go in and curl my bangs. Just look a lot better curled than how I had it when it was straight. I could not get this one on this side straight to save my life. So you see me doing that over a few times. Now I'm going to take my braiding hair and I'll put it in a scrunchie, and I'm just going to tie that around my real ponytail. I'm going to twist that hair till it gets nice and tight, and I'm just going to wrap it around, going underneath each row to create the stacked effect. Now I'm going to put me on some earrings just to make this look pop a little bit more. this is the final look. Bangs curly top knot. I think it's super cute. I've never done this before. It's quick, simple, and it's cute. Look like a little date night or something. It's really cute. So drop a comment below if you have any other suggestions. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.